We've had a history of document management systems. We originally started off about 12 years ago. Virtual Cabinet, we worked over the Christmas holidays, and between Christmas and New Year, we had it all up and running out of the box. So it was really simple. The indexing and the search engine makes it easy for us to find documents. Instead of spending hours, as we used to do in the past, searching for things, we can now find those things in a few seconds. The maintenance we can do ourselves over the phone. It makes us more efficient in being able to file and locate documents. Every time you change a spreadsheet and save it, you've got a version number, so if you corrupt the current version, it's quite easy to go back to the previous version.